Alright guys, I'm back again and we will continue. This month only exists in Ethiopia, so we cannot translate it. So what we can do is, using the minus sign, we will delete it. Now we have all the months that we can translate. Okay, I'm done creating the exercise. Again, notice the appropriate name that I give the exercise. Always make sure to give suitable names to your exercises, because it makes them easier for you and other students to identify them. Especially if they are public, then it is even more important that they have very clear names. It's telling me here that the tag name is Mandus and it has 12 questions. We will click on OK and it will take us to my exercise. We have now two tags to choose from: weekdays and Mondays. Let's go to the home page and see what we have there. We have now two exercises, Mondays and weekdays. Mondays having 12 questions, weekdays it has 7 questions. Mondays is public and weekdays is private. We can still delete them if we want. The total exercises is not 1 anymore, it is 2. If we click here, we will be asked to enter our password. Let's enter our password. It is used to remind you your security answers. Let's go back to our home page. Let's attempt to do our newly created exercise. We will do it from the public exercise menu. Currently the exercise is tagged all, and it is also saying by all here. This is because we have not chosen any tag yet. Because we have privated weekdays, we do not see it here in the tags list. We only see Mondays. Now we see two tags here in the list, weekdays and Mondays, and The number of questions is 19. It is still saying all here, and it is also saying by all. It means by all students who have created public exercises. If I choose Mendes, it says it was created by Joe Jackson and 0 people attempted it and 0 people finished it. It means 0 people were able to get full point. We also see that the number of questions is 12 and the exercise is tagged Mendes. Let me do it quickly and show you how the numbers change here. It's telling me that I got 2 out of 12. And from the reaction, I can tell that I did bad. Let's click on yes. We see now 1 person has attempted it and 0 people have finished it. Let's properly do the exercise again and see our result. Alright guys, we have finished the exercise now. We have attempted it and finished it because we have got full point. And it is telling us that we did a good job. Let's click on yes. Now we see 2 people have attempted it and 1 person has finished it. This way you can see how many people have attempted your questions and how many people have finished your questions. If you have made your exercises public, of course. Let's make everything private and see what happens. Since there are no more public exercises, it is asking me to create one. I can create either one here or go to my homepage and make any of my private exercises public. Remember that I still have access to my exercises if I want to access them. If I want to access them, I can go to my exercises and find them under that menu. "19 questions, 12 months and 7 days. I can still choose and do my exercises here. I have now finished discussing the exercises, so let's move on to the forum/live chat. Let's start by visiting the forum. We see currently that there are no discussions in progress. That's why the number of posts and threads are 0. We will go to the Create Discussion menu and ask a question. Depending on what type of questions and discussions we want to raise, we choose the appropriate category for it. We have grammar, we have words, alphabets, school platform, and have fun. Questions related to grammar are asked under grammar. The same thing with words and alphabets. The school platform category exists in case you have comments for betterment or questions regarding the platform. My personal favorite category is called Have Fun. It has no rules. The only rule it has is, as the name suggests, just to have fun. I will come back to it later. As an example, let's ask a question concerning an Amharic word. So we choose the words category. First, I will start by giving it a title. After I finish giving it a suitable title, I will start asking my question. I will ask if I spelled Maskaram correctly. Maskaram is January in Amharic. The confirmation indicates that you have successfully created your discussion. Let's visit the forum and see our question there. You can see there is one post and one thread under words. Let's open it. When we open it, we can see who asked the question, the title of the question or the discussion, how many views it has, when it was created, how many total replies it has, how many replies it has that are directed to the question. Because I am the one who asked it, I have the option of editing and deleting it. Let's edit the question as an example. And guys, as a side note, if you see someone who has asked a question, do not hesitate to answer or talk to them by clicking here. In this case, because it is my own question, it does not make sense to reply. I will always be in the chat as well. Now, let's go to my personal favorite category and create a discussion there. In this category, you can ask questions or raise discussions that have nothing to do with Amharic. As an example, let's ask the students where are they from. As an example, to demonstrate how the chat works, let's log in as another student and start the chat. Imagine there is a student named Olivia who has seen the discussion and she would like to participate in the chat.